In this short video, I will be showing you how to free up some space from Imovie. Now, if you're like me, you maybe create some videos for YouTube or for other social platforms. And if you're using Imovie, this can actually build up really quickly to a large file size that's being used. Now, in my case here, if we go to Get Info, we can actually see that there's like about 80 gigabytes of space being used up. And even though if I go to my library, it looks like there's only 2 videos in here. And if I click on this 3 little dots beside the video and delete one of the projects, you will actually see that it still doesn't free up any additional space. It just clears the movie library. So we need to go to the Media tab at the top of Imovie. And in here we can see all of the events that have been recorded over time. So all the different videos that I've created in the past. And even though I've deleted them from the projects section, they still remain in here under the media library. So I can actually delete these individually, or I can select them all at once. So if you click on Imovie library on the left side of your window, and then you click into the middle section, now if you press Command A, you can actually select all of the files. So let's Command button plus A. And now what we want to do is right click and click Delete Media from Event. So that will delete media from all of the events. However, you will see that some of the files still exist, and that is because the project that contains these files is still under the project section of Imovie. So it won't delete any files from existing projects that are running within Imovie. Now if we go back to Finder and we click on the Get Info on our Imovie library, you will see that the file size has not really changed yet, and there's a reason for this. What we need to actually do is close down Imovie before that space will be freed up. But before we do that, I want to just delete these events to clear things up completely within the library. And to do that, we just need to select all of the events from the left menu and right click and press delete. And at this stage now we have only the files that are attached to existing projects within Imovie. So that's pretty much all the data that we want to remove at this point. And again, if we check the Imovie library, we can see that even though we've deleted all the event data, the file size still hasn't changed yet. So what we need to do is actually close the application and restart it again. And now we can actually see that we have more space freed up after we restart the application. And if we just hit check info again once more, we can see that now it's down to 18 megabytes. So that seems to have worked quite nicely. But there is still one more thing that we can do to take advantage of this extra space, and that is if we empty our trash can. Now you will see that most of the movie clips that we've recorded and the audio files have moved to the trash can. And at the bottom of the Finder window, you will see that we have quite a bit of space now, but it is still less than what was originally in the Imovie application. So once we delete the trash folder, this should actually increase. And yeah, we can see that it's moved up. So that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys have found this helpful. And if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech help content. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next video.